FPSC, UAF, GCUF, banking and other competitive exams. Complete detailed notes on deputy accountant, PPS, FPSC, NTS, mathematics percentage competitive exams. Our 2026 percentage is one of the most important topics in competitive examinations. It is frequently tested in PPSC, FPSC, NTS, banking, deputy accountant, educator, UAF, GCUF, and other aptitude tests. Percentage is widely used in exam results, profit and loss, discounts, taxes, banking, finance, and population growth. What is percentage? English definition. The word percentage means per hundred or out of 100. It is used to compare a part of a whole. Urdu तारीफ फीसद का मतलब है हर सौ में से ये किसी कल मिकदार के मुकाबले में किसी हिस्से को ज़ाया करता है. Examples: 50% means 50 out of 100, 25% means 25 out of 100, 100% means the whole quantity, 0% means nothing. A formula of percentage. The basic formula is the text percentage equal fract part times 100. It obtains 360 marks out of 500. Fract 6500 times 100 equals आंसर को 72%. उर्दू वजाहत अगर एक तालिब इल्म ने 500 में से 360 नंबर हासिल किए हों तो इसका फीसद equal to 360 for 500 to close 100 joules. Important percentage formulas. 1 percentage equal frac part text whole times whole. 2 part equals frac percentage times text whole. 3 whole equals part times 100. Converting percentage to fraction. फीसद को किस में तब्दील करना? Fraction 50% and half, 85%, 20%, 1/5, 10%, 75%, 3/4 of 40%, 2/3 of 80%, 80%, 4, 5, 12 points height, 30%, 1/3, 60, 6, 12%, 2/3. Trick percentage with 100 equals fraction. Example: 40% equals 40 100ths equals 2/5. Converting fraction to percentage formula. Fractions 100. Example: 3/5 equals 3/5. Time 100 equals 6. Converting decimal to percentage formula. Decimal comes 100. Example: 0.7575 equals 0.700 equals 75%. Converting percentage to decimal formula. Percentage order 100. Example: 45% equals 45 order 100 equals 0.45. Applications of percentage في صدق استعمالات. 1. Exam marks. Honey number. Percentage is used to calculate exam results. Example: a student scores 420 marks out of 600. Solution percentage equal 420 where 600 times 100 equals 70%. और अगर किसी तालिब इल्म ने 600 में से 420 नंबर हासिल किए हों तो फीसद equal 80%. Profit. Percentage is used to calculate profit in business. Formula: profit to cent equal profit cost price of 100. Example: cost price 800. Selling price equals 1000. Profit equal 1000 minus 800 equals 200. Profit to percent का 200 rate times %. उर्दू अगर किसी चीज़ की कीमत खरीद 72 रुपए और कीमत फरोख्त 100 रुपए हो तो मुनाफे equal 200 रुपए. मुनाफे का फीसद %. 3. Discount. Riot. Discount means reduction in the marked price. Formula: discount 10% equals discount with a marked price. Parent. Example: marked price equals 5,000. Selling price equals 500. Discount equals 500. Discount percent equals 500 for 1,000 100 10%. और तो अगर किसी चीज़ की असल कीमत 5,000 रुपए और फरोख्त की कीमत 500 रुपए हो तो riot equals 500 रुपए. Riot का फीसद equal 10%. 4. Tax. Governments charge tax as a percentage of income or price. Example: GST equal 18%. Price equal 10,000. Tax equal by 18 when ties 10,000 by 1,000 hybrid. Total price equal 10,000 plus 1 tie equals 5,800. अर्दू अगर किसी चीज़ पर 2% टैक्स हो और कीमत 10,000 रुपए हो तो टैक्स इक्वल 8,500 रुपए. कल कीमत इक्वल 11,500 रुपए. 5. Population. Abadi. Percentage is used to calculate population growth. Example: current population equals 50,000. Increase equals 10%. Increase equals 10 with 100 times 50,000 equals 5,000. New population equals 50,000 plus 5,000, 55,000. अगर किसी शहर की आबादी 50 हो और 10% इजाफा हो तो नई आबादी equal to 55,000. Percentage increase, फीसद इजाफा, formula, fract, increase original value times 100. Example, salary increases from Rs 40,000 to Rs 50,000. Increase equals 10,000. Percentage, increase equals 10,000 to 40,000 times 100 equals 25%. Percentage decrease, fīsad kami, decrease original value. Example, price decreases from Rs 500 to Rs 450. Decrease equals 50. Percentage decrease equals 50 over 500 and 100 equals 10%. Let's solve examples. Example 1, find 20% of 500. Solution, 20% equals 20, 100. 20 by 100, find 500 is 100. Example 2, find 15% of 800. 50 hundredths and 100 800 equals 120. Example 3, 40 is what percent of 200? 40 would 200. 100 equals 20%. Example 4, a student scores 360 out of 450. Percentage equals 360 over 450, and 100 equals 80%. Example 5, the price of a laptop increases from Rs 80,000 to 88,000. Increase equals Rs 8,000. Percentage increase equals 8,100 equals 10%. Shortcut tricks. 10% move the decimal one place left. Example, 10% of 250 equals 25. 50% divide by 2. Example, 50% of 800 equals 4 and 25% divide by 4. Example, 25% of 200 equals 50, 20% divide by 5. Example, 20% of 360, 5%. Take 10% divide by 2. Example, 5% of 600, 10% equals 60. 5% equals 30, 1% divide by 100. Example, 1% of 900 equals 9. Quick revision table, percentage shortcut. 50% divide by 2, 25% divide by 4, 25% divide by 5, 10% divide by 10, pi for 10%, 1%. Divide by 100 for 75 for the number. Deputy Accountant and PPSC exam tips. Memorize common percentage fraction conversions. Practice mental calculations for 10%, 20%, 25%, 50% and 75%. Percentage questions are commonly asked from exam